At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Your sons and daughters are taught foreign love and relation, and you help to learn them foreign love and relation. Now the question is how so? Movies, drums, and songs are accepted by most people as entertainment. Everyone like this, and more people, more popular to young people. Just think how many movies, drums, and songs have you watched without foreign love and relation? From 12 to 20 years of age, this time a little difficult, but movies, drums, song has become more difficult this time because of it foreign love and relation, and we have accept more and more as entertainment this. Now I hope you understand how your children are taught foreign love and relation. That's all.